Good morning, everyone. Learning to speak English can feel intimidating, but you don't need a massive vocabulary to start. You just need a strategy. The secret isn't studying grammar books for hours, it's building consistency through 3 simple habits. First, listen to speak. Your brain needs to hear the rhythm of English before it can reproduce it. Spend 15 minutes a day listening to English podcasts, watching videos, or listening to music. Don't just listen passively. Repeat what you hear out loud. This trains your tongue and mouth muscles to form new sounds. Second, embrace mistakes. The biggest barrier for beginners isn't lack of knowledge, it's fear. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. If you say he go instead of he goes, don't panic. The person listening still understands you. Communication is about connection, not perfection. Finally, start small. You don't need a conversation partner to practice. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing while cooking, driving, or getting ready. Say, I am making tea, or the weather is nice today.